welcome to The Real Shay. So, as you see, I'm kind of in a different setting than I normally am. Sometimes you don't even see my face. I want to kind of change the way I'm doing these DIYs. Again, when you're looking at a DIY, if you have any questions pertaining to the actual DIY, or if you have a question pertaining to anything related to design, just leave it below. Or you can inbox us at info@eshays.com. Stay tuned to this DIY, and thank you so much for tuning in. Show your love with that beautiful like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Have a creative day. Stay tuned.
You